Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Aipai AI step by step in order to create AI generated videos, storyboards, characters, sound effects, and cinematic content using simple prompts. We will cover everything like from creating your first AI project to generating the scenes using one-click MV, creating similar videos, adding the music, and customizing AI generated content. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. I will also share some of the useful prompts that you can copy and use for better AI results. Now, if you want to try AI Pi for yourself, you will find its affiliate link in the description. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some sign-up bonuses and rewards depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, when you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on the official homepage of AI Pi. Now, when you are here, you are going to see the sign up option on the top right hand corner of the screen. And this is going to be the section where you can basically add your prompts. So before hopping on how you can get started with the platform, let's just quickly understand what Aipai AI actually does. So Aipai AI, as I've told you earlier, is an AI powered video generation platform that is going to help you create the cinematic videos using text prompts. So instead of manually editing the scenes, adding the effects, or building the animations for yourself, you simply need to describe your idea, and the AI is going to generate the storyboard, the scene, the character, the camera movement, the music, and so on. So the platform is basically designed more like an AI movie studio instead of the basic video editing. So account creation is very simple. You just have to click on the option of sign up on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you just have to use your email address in order to sign up, and you are going to see this type of dashboard in front of you. Now over here you are going to see this section where you can basically type your large prompt, and here you can describe the video that you wanted to create. For free you are going to get 100 credits, and that's the best part. I think that is enough for you to basically get along with the software. So over here this is the main AI section, and now the important thing here is that you don't need any technical prompts for this. You can simply explain your idea in normal English like you are talking to a video director. So here are some of the prompts that I can suggest you, like I can ask it to create a 30-second cinematic trailer about a futuristic city where a hacker discovers a hidden AI system. Use neon cyberpunk lighting, dramatic camera movements, and intense background music. Or if your style is anime like, you can also add this particular prompt that says create a fantasy anime scene where a young warrior protects a magical kingdom during the sunset with cinematic lighting and emotional music. Now after entering the prompt, you just have to hit send, and the AI is going to begin generating your project automatically. Now, once the AI processes your prompt, it is going to start creating a storyboard for your video. And this is one of the most powerful parts of AI Pi. So instead of generating one random clip, the platform is going to break that video into multiple connected scenes. For example, your project may include the intro scene, the character close-up, the action sequence, the transition shots, and ending scene. And each scene includes detailed information like the camera movement, the character action, background environment. So you will also notice that AI Pi automatically creates the scene descriptions and cinematic directions, and this makes the final video feel more professional and movie-like. Now over here in the bottom you are also going to see some of the options like characters. So over here you can use this characters section, and here you can basically create a character. So click on the option of create character, and now you can provide the description about your character. So here the AI automatically going to create the character profile based on your prompt. For example, if your video includes a hero, a villain, an athlete, or futuristic soldier, the AI is going to generate their appearance and personality automatically. But as I've told you earlier, you can also create your own custom character over here. So you need to give your character a name, then you can add your character's image. Afterwards you can select your character's gender, you can add the age, the characteristics, the personality description. If you have the voice of your character, you can also add that, and then click on the option of save. Now whatever characters you have created will be shown over here, and if you want to publish them, you can definitely go ahead and click on the option of publish. Afterwards, you need to add some of the character tags for more reach, and then click on the option of confirm. Now, once your storyboard is ready, you can also generate the actual video scenes. The AI takes those storyboard descriptions and then convert them into moving cinematic clips. And this particular process may take a few minutes depending on the project's length. Now, one important thing that you need to remember here is you can improve the scene's quality by writing stronger cinematic prompt. For example, instead of just writing like a man is walking in the city, you can write something like a cinematic tracking shot of a man walking through a rainy neon lit Tokyo street at the night with reflections on the ground and dramatic lighting. That is going to basically give you much better visual output. You can also experiment with different types of styles. You will find them here in the explore section. So when you click on the option of explore, you are going to see some of the recommended types of videos. So here you can just simply select the style, and then you can also define your style while using the prompt. Now once your scenes are generated, they are going to look something like this. So you can add the background music, the voiceover on top of it, you can add the sound effects on top of it, and you can also add the cinematic audio. So here you can also select someone else's creation, and then you can just simply follow them and use their prompt in order to generate their own. So here you will also see the one click MW option. So this is the tool that is mainly used for quickly creating music videos and social media content. The type of video that you can create with the help of it is shown over here in this particular sample image. So over here you can just simply upload a short clip, a TikTok video, a fashion video, or any kind of product clip that you want to remake. So after uploading it from here, you need to describe what type of sound a track or what type of style you want. So after selecting your video over here, you just have to simply give the prompt. So you can add something like add energetic EDM music and fast paced transitions for a fashion reel. And remember that for this particular generation alone, you will need to have 200 credits, and for free you are going to get only 100 credits. So here you need to go with their paid plan. Now if we just go back here on this particular page, we have the next option of make same video feature. So this particular option is going to help you create variations of an existing video. So for example, this is the video that is available here, and if you already have a video, you can also provide that. So when you upload the video over here, you just have to again provide the prompt and then hit the generate option, and it is going to basically work similar to remake. So that's how basically you can use Aipai AI step by step as an absolute beginner. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.